Well, we are outside. I put the fuel in it. I don't see actually after every 20 minutes my video shut it off. I have to check it out and make it never stop, please. Temperature still shows going down because we are outside. Over here actually we do have 22 Fahrenheit. And I don't know how to change these ones. So far showing 7 Celsius. But the bugs are sitting for 2 days inside the house. Everything is warm. I'm happy with the battery. So far everything is showing full. It was charged like I said. Nothing's blown yet. You can hear the clicks. Everything is cold. Well, let's see if it's going to start it up. Oh. I can hear the blower start running. Ooh. Okay. Nothing burning yet. I can feel it's pushing air, but nothing yet. Come on, machine, show us. Can wait. I believe it's pushing, fuel, heating up, and trying to start it up. I hope. It's making noise. I know over here the wind's blowing and plastic's moving, but let's see. Okay, pumping diesel. Come on. Sometimes, I see on the videos how smoke coming from the muffler and everything, but so far I don't see any it's cold air. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, it's hot. I can smell it, I can feel it. Ooh, yeah. Hey guys, it's running. Look at it, it's smoking from it. It's on. Oh my god. It's getting warm too. You can hear the pump. Everything running, everything's clicking. Oh my goodness. I can believe it. Well, wow. Filter, battery looking good over there. Nice. Nice. I did not expect this. It's going nicely. It's an 8 kilowatt, and I can wait how much hot air is going to this one gave me over here. Alright guys, see you. I'm glad you like this video. Status stinks. See you in the next one. Albert's out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Love it. I have to put something under. It's sitting on the table. Oh wow. It's the click, but hey, if it's cold and you need heat, I believe it's cool. This thing is on full setting, run, you know, full capacity. I wanna let this thing run for next at least 10 more minutes. Woo! It's coming up! Coming up! Woohoo! Yeah, you can smell it, how everything is new, everything burning down. Oh, I'm just going to put this one on. But looks like we have to use the pipe to vent. I don't want to do it right now, there is no sense for me. I just testing. Basically it's coming flexible pipe, going over there. You know, when you got it somewhere under seats or under the apartment in the RV or somewhere, just a little hose. For sure, RVs they got already spots for these. Here they can even burn easily. That's why I need to test everything first. Well, my drink is frozen. And when I see some videos, you know, it was smoking. And, oh, look at that, the pipe discolored already. How hot it is. Oh my god. And there is another trick for this. They having a 1-inch muffler pipe like this, flexible. Put it in a metal bucket with dry sand and basically make another heater, and then mufflers going outside and in the shop or somewhere. It's, I mean, you can do a lot of stuff with this for emergency, survivor. Some crazy people can take this thing, you know, to camping. Like, I mean, crazy people. If you go ice fishing or somewhere, you know, out of grid, wow. We're running on full around. Setting number 10. And it's pretty hot. I just once I have to actually try for how long it could run on this battery. I'm just reading over here, this product is for parking. I think basically when the guys standing in those little bugs outside on the parking lot in the cold, it's blowing on their feet, probably warmed it up. Or maybe when tollways got raincoats over there, that could be fun too, but that power over there, wow, wow, wow. Alright then guys, I think this is it to know about this. It's very simple, 12-volt battery, diesel, and $65 cheap Chinese heater, portable. Probably if you spend another $50 for the pipe, extended from the house, little some maybe housing, do some properly, isolated inside the wall. You don't want to burn the house or door or something. Always think how to do it safely, please. I'm outside, I'm not showing you, not telling you what to do. Just please, don't blame me if something happened. Everybody on their self, you're at risk. For me so far working well, working for 10 minutes running. And it will be running for a little bit longer. Well then guys, I think this thing was success for me. I wish the muffler make some smoke because they're cold, not because smoke of diesel. I cannot smell any diesel on this one. From the beginning before he started, I smell a little bit, which was I surprised it was just that little bit. Alright then guys. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you think about it. And see you in next project. Albert's
out.